Octopus Elevator Well Divider is a system that can split elevator wells into 2 or more channels in order to assemble multiple elevators side by side in large elevator wells. One box of Octopus Elevator Well Divider is sufficient for each floor in buildings with average standard ceiling height. Each box contains a 3-meter length of the product in order to divide the elevator well. One U-channel extrusion profile is attached to the marked area and fixed to the wall with 2 console brackets on the sides. The other extrusions and consoles are installed to opposite wall symmetrically. Each U-channel extrusion is 1.5 meters long. For elevator well division, triangle-shaped movable pieces are fixed to U-channel extrusion profiles. Triangular movable sections, U-channel extrusion profiles, and console brackets are fastened together using pin bolts. For elevator well division system, 3 different parts are used: triangular pieces, U-channel extrusion profiles, and console brackets. The body assembly is completed when the separator U-profile is fastened to the fixed triangular parts with bolts. It has the ability to function in elevator wells with a depth of 1,700 mm to 3,000 mm. U-channel extrusion profiles can be connected to each other by means of triangular pieces and can be mounted throughout the elevator wells. The assembly is completed with 1.5 meter steps along the elevator well. The product group used in the wells with brick at the backside and the product group used in the wells with concrete at the backside are different. According to elevator well backside wall structure, select the appropriate product from the backweight or sideweight packages. Octopus sideweight system. One box of Octopus sideweight system is sufficient for each split floor. There are 2 rows of products in a box. Equilibrium weight rail spacing ranges from 700 mm to 1100 mm. circumference width from 290 mm to 430 mm. The car-to-main rail console can be connected in 3 different ways to achieve movement from 50 mm to 180 mm. Octopus Door Top Lintel System. Octopus Door Top Lintel System is used for the installation of elevator door where door height is above the standard. First, L-shaped part is mounted on the designated surface. Installation of the other L-shaped part on the opposite surface is done symmetrically. Assembly of the lintel body part consisting of U-profile is made by joining both L-shaped parts. As a last step, assembly of the door console is done and the lintel assembly is completed. Door lintel system is capable of moving from 1400 mm to 2400 mm. Octopus series products will cover all your essential needs. It is possible to make smooth and easy installation in all type of elevator wells with Octopus series products.